coasts are important because they're ecologically one of the most valuable parts of the global landscape. They provide a lot of productivity, which provides humans with a lot of resources. They therefore have high conservation value.
So along with the very rich natural biodiversity, the wide range of wildlife that uses our coasts, of course coastlines are also very important for mankind. And over 50% of the human population lives on or within a very short distance of the coast. And what that means is it requires a substantial amount of man-made structures to be built along those shorelines. For example, coastal defence to protect us from sea level rise, wind turbines to generate renewable energy, ports and harbours. And if we look at some examples of coastlines in the Adriatic, over 80% of areas of coastline are now modified by introduction of man-made structures. So one of the pieces of work that we're looking at is to see how we can change engineering design for coastal structures in order to make space for nature, if you like, to create habitat and opportunities for wildlife that might otherwise be excluded. And what's needed next is to see if these kind of ecological modifications will really help to achieve benefits for the environment. And that's one of the things that we're hoping to do within this project.
This research is needed for a couple of reasons. First, we have to understand why is the biodiversity on structures different than what's on natural shores. And secondly, we have to figure out how to best design structures to benefit ecology. What we're doing is trying to look at how does the ecology interact with different materials. So if you change the rock type, do you get a different biology that colonizes it? Or if you change the texture or the physical response of those materials to being in the environment, i.e. the geomorphic response of those materials, do they lead to a better environment for the biology? And lastly, related to that, is does the biology itself have a hand in shaping its environment? So does the biology actually physically alter the environment? And that's the biogeomorphic interaction. So those three interactions is the primary focus of our research, which we discuss in the next video.